Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing three beautiful but fun makeup looks that I think will be perfect for the springtime. These looks are pretty easy to do, but they all add like a little razzle dazzle to your everyday makeup, and believe it or not, I'm pretty basic when it comes to everyday makeup. This is what I usually do, a little lippy, and sometimes I do a little blush or a little shimmer on my eyelids, but that's about it, and I'm straight out the door. But lately I've been wanting to experiment, have some fun, step it up a little bit, and I like to think that there's no such thing as rules when it comes to makeup. It's just techniques that you can use to get what you want, which is probably why I love SFX makeup so much. I love the freedom of it. And I just thought that maybe I should just bring some of that boldness to my everyday look. So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and just dive right on in it.
Okay, so first, like always, I'm going to start with my Pro Concealer, and I'm going to apply all over the lid as evenly as possible. And then I'm going to take my Juvia palette, and I'm going to take that bright pink color to dab it all over the lid as well. And then also making sure that I blend it out at the end. Then I'm going to take that same brush and dab it in this white highlighter to highlight my eyebrows bow. And I'm going to blend it as much as possible into the pink. To add some depth, I'm going to add this brown to the outer corner of my eyes, so I give it a little bit of a more smoky effect. Then I'm going to use another brush to pick up some green to put in my inner corners. And I dab, and then I like to move it upward towards my brow and then downward underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to take that same brush and add the lime highlighter, and I'm going to do the same thing. To make it pop more, I'm going to add that same white highlighter right on top of the lime, and then I'm going to clean it up with some concealer. I'm going to take that same brush with the pink and brown and put it on my bottom lid. And I'm going to take this white NYX pencil to line the middle. And with this look, I really didn't want to do too much with the eyeliner. I just line it so I can put my lashes on more better. And here's the final look. It's no surprise that this is my favorite out of all three. Green is my favorite color, and even though this look is bold, it's also soft. Okay, for look number 2, we're going to start as always with the base using our Pro Concealer. And now we're going to set it with this eyeshadow. And then we're going to take that brown and put it in our crease and outer lid. Then we're going to take this deeper brown and do the same. But we got to be careful. We got to blend out the ends and make sure that there's no harsh line. Now we're going to take this color to highlight the brow bone. So right here, I'm trying to carefully create a huge wing liner. I've always had trouble since I have hooded eyes. So most of the time I'm just winging it, but I think I did okay. And the color wasn't popping that much for me, so I took that and put it on top of the wing liner. Okay, all I'm doing here is lining the bottom of my wing with some black eyeliner. And then I'm lining the top with some white. Okay, so I decided to put a little wing underneath, like almost going in the opposite direction, because it just reminded me of a butterfly, and you know, it's the first thing you think about when you think about spring. So I underlined my eyes with the white eyeliner and then put my lashes on, and then voila, here is the final look. I really like this look, but next time I think I would try to do this look with a lilac color instead of the teal. Okay, for the last and final look, I went for something a little bit more simple, but still pretty bold and out of my comfort zone. So after I set the base, I'm going to take this brown color and I'm going to put it all over my lid. So I'm going to take this orange color right here and I'm going to put it up on my top crease, inner crease, and I'm going to dab it first and then I'm going to blend it out. Next I'm going to take this pink color and I'm going to put it right below the orange and I'm going to blend it a little bit further down, and then this purple shimmery color and put it in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to blend everything in. I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone with this color, making sure that it blends in with the orange. So for this look, I also wanted a thick eyeliner. I decided to go with black. Like I said, I am not expert at this, so it took me a while to get it right. It was a lot of going back and forth, cleaning it and, you know, reshaping it, but I got it at the end. I know there's a special way for me to do it since I have hooded eyes, but I just still haven't got a hang of it yet. So right here I'm using the same purple that I use in my inner corners for my lower lash, and then I'm going to put mascara in my bottom lash, and that will be it. This is a very simple look, but it came out beautifully. It's still bold but very soft. I think that's going to be my theme for the season, bold but soft. I hope you enjoyed these 3 fun and beautiful springtime looks. Let me know which was your favorite in the comments below, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.